This is one of our destinations on today's ride, Kingland Lake. I think it's a private community.
Today should be just a little bit different than a normal day. We're in the middle of this tremendous heat wave. Temperatures are really hot in the afternoon. So we are trying to get out early today. There's no secret about it. Early is cooler. We're also trying to find some back roads where it'd be nice and shady, like Arden Drive is. And that typical, those kind of roads, it's usually nice and cool riding down there as long as you're not overheating as you get in there. The last couple days, the ride home has been brutal with that heat, so I'm looking forward to getting out early today.
I was talking to Luciano the other day, and he's very happy. He got some new summer riding gear. I'm looking forward to seeing what he got. He said it looked pretty good on the internet, or wherever he got it from, the mafia, I don't know. Anyway, this summer riding gear has proven to be a good investment, and I'm glad I got mine when I did. And a bathing suit isn't much good around Christmas time, and snow skis aren't much good in August. So having that summer riding gear is making this summer bearable anyway. And one of the things a lot of people don't take into account on a super hot day, a bike without any windshield or fairing, you're going to get a better blast of air. Only sometimes the air is so hot it doesn't even matter. Now I know the fish, and it's typical of koi. Their metabolism, as the temperature heats up and the water heats up, they get more and more, they eat more. I guess I do too. So we have a little yard work to do, and we'll be ready to get out on the open road. And as you can imagine, Karen is pretty happy the way her garden has turned out this year. And it's a good side and a bad side. The good side is, there's a lot of maintenance. It gives me a lot of extra exercise all summer, when I might be prone to sit inside in air conditioning. And the good, even better news is we get to have a garden. As I'm having my coffee this morning and relaxing here a minute, before we head out on the open road, the weather looks like it'll be really nice today. And they said no thunder showers. Last couple of days we had a warning of thunder showers. As I'm getting ready, you can hear in the background the birds chirping away. Karen's done with her perp walk in the morning. You have all our vegetables for tonight. Listen to those birds. Wow. So it looks like there's a dirt bike trail up there. I did see some those four-wheel things here in the park again. I wonder where that trail goes. landmark here, the big old white barn. Kind of an iconic thing as we go down this road. This is one of our destinations on today's ride, Kingland Lake. I think it's a private community and there's all kind of lilies blooming at the other end. It's a beautiful location. Kingland Lake. And all these backwood roads here that we take normally, pretty deserted this time of the week. Boy, that sky is clear as a bell. Just about the right temperature. What a heavenly day. get home, I see Miles is on the porch. I guess they're having their iced tea or their lunch or something. Now sometimes I'm lucky if, when I get back here, if Miles is already here, sometimes he'll help me clean the bike, clean the bugs off the bike. Doesn't look like that's one of those days. And one more day, the groundhog has outsmarted us. Ugh! Karen's really losing her patience with this groundhog. Andy, don't you recognize me with my summer riding gear? He likes me better in black. Men in black.
Scared, huh? Don't hide behind me.
Don't hide behind me, baby. You bought a motorcycle, not me. He knows. There goes. I'll take it, Chuck. There's the gorgeous family waiting with iced tea. What are you playing, chess? Who's winning? Let me take a wild guess.
It's hard to say right now.
It's hard to say. Usually Miles wins. Actually, it's true. Miles is a chess champion. At a Lindy's, you had one of my lemon ices. That's unauthorized. That's my lemon ices. This is the family. This is what we consider a come back from a ride cup of coffee with Windy cream.
Thanks. Okay. You know merengues? Oh, that's my tea.
Oh, he's drinking alcoholic beverages. When you give the fish their lunch, okay, give them the lunch. Let's see if they're hungry. Are they hungry? They're as hungry as you and me.
5 minutes for the game.
Do I get to win this game once in a while, or are you going to win every round?
Let's see. How about let's do Angry Birds 2.
I think you're trying to sucker me into the bet here. Which game are you going to play?
Angry Birds 2. He mutated me into dynamite.
What?
Look, he mutated me into dynamite.
What are you talking about?
The guy. He mutated me into dynamite. Said the birds.
Who taught you to be so good at these games?
Birds.
I don't know how to play these games.
Put something in my mouth.
Oh, there's the baby bird getting fed. Oh, feed me. Feed me, Seymour. Feed me. How cute is that?
Oh,
Feed me. The mama bird is feeding the baby. Now by getting out of here early this morning, really early in fact, got a nice ride up to Lake Kingland. It's really Kingland, the lake. I call it Lake Kingland. It is such a nice area up there. That's another one of these things that you're just riding down the road, you're riding down the road, so you think, what's down that road? Down the road, all of a sudden, there's Kingland Lake. Absolutely beautiful. You'd never know it was there unless you did that little exploring thing and go down there. But then we had a little riding on the edge of the tire. We had this wonderful thing, Valentine saved me. A couple of miles from my house it saved me. You never know when they're going to be hiding up a tree or in a sewer or something. Valentine, thank you. Again, I want to thank the COVID workers. Thank you guys, thank you. My whole family's on the porch, and they've opened up some of the stores now and some of the hairdresser parlors or something. And it looks like we're on a comeback trail at last. So, hope you did enjoy the video. I enjoy making them. I hope you enjoy watching them. Share them, and we just went over 8,000 subscribers yesterday. So you 8,000 guys, you need a life. That's the problem. Anyway, enjoy the video. Again, thanks for watching.